Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how to see total call time on Android device. So let's get started. Now open your phone settings and now click on reset option. Now click here reset option and now click on three dot option. Now click here three dot option and now click here total call times. Now click here total call times and see total call times here. Most recent call time and outgoing call times and incoming call times and finally all call times. If you want to all call time reset, now click here reset option. Now click here. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.